Dear students, today I will discuss about types of matrices. That is equal to types of matrices. We know that what do you mean by the matrix? The systematic arrangement, the systematic array of the elements known as the matrix, which contains rows and columns. Each row and each column contains the equal number of elements or entries. That means known as the systematic array or systematic arrangements. First, matrix belongs to A of Aij, where M cross N. This is a matrix. Now, first your rectangular matrix. First your rectangular matrix. What do you mean by rectangular matrix? A rectangle, just like a rectangle, which length is greater than breadth, such as a matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, A31 and A32. In this case, this matrix known as 3 cross 2 order of matrix, whereas 3 rows and 2 columns. Last element indicates to their orders. First I stands for row, J stands for column, that is equal to 3 cross 2 order of matrix. Where rectangular matrix means that is equal to if Aij of matrix, if M not equal to N, a row not equal to column, that systematic arrangements known as the rectangular matrix. Then number 2, your row matrix. Number 2, your row matrix. All the elements of a given matrix in a horizontal lines, that is called to known as the row matrix, such as A is equal to A11, A12, A13 dot dot A1n. These types of arrangements known as a row matrix, which arrangement contains only one row and n number of columns, that is called to row matrix. Or A is equal to suppose 1, 5, 7, just like this. These types of arrangement known as the row matrix. The column is the opposite of that, because we know that the all horizontal lines known as rows and vertical lines known as columns. Just like this. Number 3, your column matrix. Number 3, your column matrix. The system of arrangement in one columns, that is called to known as your column matrix. Let A is equal to A11, A21, A31 dot dot AN1, where column remains constant, only one columns, rows varies from 1, 2, 3 up to n. In this case, this systematic arrangement is known as your column matrix, just like matrix A is equal to 3, 5, 7, just like this. This is called to known as your column matrix. Then moments towards your square matrix. We know that what is a square? Square means this is a geometrical figure bounded by the 4 sides, which each sides are equal each other. Each side length is equal to suppose axiom for the same unity. Just like suppose A is a matrix which system of arrangement A11, A12, A21, A 2 2. In this case, M is equal to N. So M I is equal to 2 and N is equal to J is equal to also 2. That A is equal to 3 5 7 2. Just this is A square matrix. Or this may be the three order of a matrix. A is equal to 1 7 minus 2 3 2 3 minus 2 1 1 1 7. This is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Where row is equal to column, that system of arrangements known as your square matrix. Then number 5th matrix means your null matrix or zero matrix. Number 5, null matrix or zero matrix. If elements of arrangements, all the elements belong to 0, just like 0 0 0 and also 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. All three arrangements 1 2 3 belongs to a null matrix systems. Every entry belongs to 0. That types of arrangements known as your null matrix systems. Then number 6, your diagonal matrix. Number 6 is your diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means, suppose this is a matrix A where taken as 3 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 2. This is also a square matrix, but what is difference between square matrix and this matrix? Suppose this is a rectangle, this is a square, AC known as its diagonal. So this is a 4 vertex points 3 0 0 2. If we join from 3 to 2 in a system, these entries 1 numbers, but other place belongs to 0. If the diagonals are contains the numbers of a square matrix and non-diagonal elements are belongs to 0, that types of matrix known as the diagonal matrix. Again, any matrix, suppose 2 0 0 7. This is a square matrix of order 2 cross 2. Its diagonal contains 2 and 7 and non-diagonal place contains 0 and 0. That kinds of matrix known as your diagonal matrix. Then your scalar matrix. What do you mean by your scalar matrix? Diagonal matrix, then your scalar matrix. Suppose before 5, that is called your diagonal matrix contains different number of numbers contains your diagonals. But in case of the scalar matrix, suppose A is a matrix is equal to 1 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 5. Suppose another matrix A is equal to 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. This is a 3 cross 3 order matrix, but this is a 3 cross 3 order of matrix. First diagonal contains 1 3 and 5, but in second matrix the diagonal contains 2 2 and 2, contains a same number. If a matrix of its diagonal contains the same numbers and non-diagonal place contains 0, that kinds of matrix known as the scalar matrix. So this is a diagonal matrix, but this is a diagonal matrix, but this matrix contains the equal number of numbers 2, 2 and 2. That kinds of matrix known as the scalar matrix. Maybe two order, single order, just like this. That is called, just suppose A is equal to 2, 0, 0, 2. This is also a scalar matrix. A is equal to 3, 0, 0, 3. This is also scalar matrix. Common numbers present in its diagonal. That is called known as the diagonal matrix. Then your scalar matrix. Then number 7 is your identity matrix. Identity matrix. Identity matrix means this is the matrix A which diagonal contains 1, 0, 0, 1. A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. These kinds of matrix known as your identity matrix. Then your triangular matrix. Your triangular matrix. That is an example of your diagonal matrix. Suppose A is equal to 5, 0, 2, 0, 7, 0, 0, 0, 6. These kinds of matrix known as the triangular matrix. But when another triangular matrix, one is equal to your upper triangular, another is equal to your lower triangular. This is the upper part of these triangles, and this is the lower parts of these triangles. When upper triangular matrix means upper triangular matrix. If a matrix A is equal to 2, 5, 7, 0, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1. This is your diagonal, this is the upper parts, this is your lower parts. If lower part of its diagonal contains the 0 and upper part contains the numbers, these kinds of matrix known as your upper triangular matrix. Then your lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix means this is the opposite of that. That is equal to 7, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 5, 2, 6. These kinds of matrix known as the lower triangular matrix, where that the lower parts of this diagonal belongs to the numbers and the upper parts contains only 0. These kinds of matrix known as your lower triangular matrix. So matrix mainly divided by 11 kinds. First, your rectangular matrix, row matrix, column matrix. First, number 1, your rectangular. Number 2, rectangular. Number 2, row. Number 3, column. Number 4, null matrix. Number 5 is equal to square matrix. Then number 6, your diagonal matrix. Number 7, scalar. Number 8, identity matrix. Number 6, your triangular. Number 9 triangular. Number 10 upper triangular. Number 11 lower triangular. There are 11 kinds of matrix today I will discuss. Then next video I will discuss about the variety properties and addition, subtraction, multiplication and other parts of your matrix system. Goodbye.